Hello ROS developers and welcome to the ROS questions and answers video series. If you want to learn anything about ROS, this is your channel. ROS navigation, ROS with drones, ROS for autonomous cars, everything ROS is here. Learn ROS step by step and push your ROS learning in just 10 minutes of video. I am Alberto Ezquerro and today we are going to be answering a question that I found in the ROS Answers forum, which is basically this one. And he says, stop my robot if command bell doesn't receive a message within a certain time period. How can I make my robot stop moving when command bell doesn't receive a message within a certain time period? Okay, so today what we are going to do is to try to give an answer. We are going to create a script to try to solve this problem, this question that this user, Abdel Karim, is asking. But before anything else, remember to visit the Robot Ignite Academy, our online academy where you will find practical online ROS courses using simulated robots. No installation required. I will put the link to the academy on the video description. Now, yes, let's start with the video. So, as I've said, what I'm going to be doing today is to try to answer this question. So I'm going to create a script and show a script that does this. It can be done in many ways. I have just done one. So yeah, let's see. And as always, I'm going to use RDS for showing this example. And the first thing I'm going to do is to create a new project here. I'm going to call it, let's say, timer questions and answers. Timer example. I'm going to create my project and then I'm going to start it here to open it. So let's open our project and let's wait a few seconds until the whole environment loads. There it goes, there we have it, excellent. So now I'm going to first of all open a shell and I'm going to open also an IDE so that I can better see all my files. And then I'm going to go directly to the Catkin workspace, to the source directory, and here let's create a package, which I'm going to call, let's say, timer test. And I'm going to add ROSPy as a dependency, because if I'm not wrong, this user says that he's using Python somewhere. Yeah, I am coding with Python. So I'm going to create also the example in Python. And yeah, so here I have my package, the timer test, with the source folder. Let's create here also a launch folder. And now inside the source folder, let's create our Python script. Let's say timer test.py. And now let's maximize this. And into the timer test.py, I'm going to paste my code. And then I'm going to explain it, so let's go. Okay, so here it is, my code, great. And yeah, it may seem a little bit large, but actually it's very simple. It's a little bit large too, because I have done it with classes, and I'm putting functions for almost everything. But well, this code could be simplified, very simplified. But yeah, anyways, let's explain more or less what this does. It's very simple, you'll see. So basically here I'm implementing a Python class, as you can see, which is called timer. Yes, and basically I have here some functions. I have the init function, which is the function that is called when this class is created, which is created here in the main. So as you can see in the main, what I'm doing is to first of all initiate a ROS node, which is called timer test. And then I'm creating an object of this class. And finally, I'm doing a spin so that the program doesn't end and it stays here forever. And then when this line is called, basically it comes here to the init function of the class. Then what I'm doing here, first of all, I am creating a subscriber for the command bell topic so that I can know every time a new message is published into the command bell topic. Yes, because this is basically what he wants. We need to check if a message is published or not into the command bell topic. So obviously I will have to create a subscriber of this topic in order to know this. Then I am creating a publisher as well to the command belt topic so that I can publish and stop the robot if I want. Then here I am creating a subscriber of the clock topic. The clock topic is basically a topic that it's like a clock in the simulation. Yes. So this way I can, this is a way I'm using this clock topic in order to count time, let's say, because the user wants to stop the robot if command belt doesn't receive a message within a certain time period. So the way I am using to calculate this certain time period is the clock topic. Yes, this could be done in other ways, but well, I am using this clock topic because, I don't know, it's there and I wanted to do it like this. So I am creating this subscriber for the clock topic so that I can keep track of the time that is passing. Then finally here I have this control C variable, which basically it's used for the shutdown hook, which is here, in order to stop everything when I close the program. Yes. So when I close the program, this shutdown hook will be called, and inside this shutdown hook I will stop the robot. Yes. So this is basically for when this program will be closed. Then I have here two support variables, which are the reference time and the current time. Yes, you will see these variables here in the subclock function, what they are for. But basically this is the reference time, time to keep reference, and the current time, which is the actual current time. Yes. Then here I have the ROS by on shutdown, so when someone closes the program, this shutdown hook will be called, this here, and basically the robot will be stopped and the program will be stopped. Yes, and finally here I am defining a rate of 1 Hz. Yes, then I have here my first function, which is the init timer, which basically initializes this timer. So it basically puts the reference time the same value as the current time. Yes, in order to initialize the counter, let's say. Then here I am updating the current time all the time with the second. Yes. So let me do one thing in order to show this better. I'm going to start a simulation. Let's use Tractable 2 for instance. I'm going to start this Tractable 2 simulation so that you can see better how this clock topic works. And this may help you to understand how this code works. Let's see, it's loading the simulation. Okay, almost there. Yes, and there it is. Okay, great. So here I have my simulation with the Tractable robot. And now let's do a ROS topic list. So if I do here a ROS topic list, I will see here my clock topic. Yes? And if I do a ROS topic echo of this clock topic, you will see that it basically has this seconds value and nanoseconds. Yes? And the seconds value, it keeps incrementing each second, 34, 35, 36, 37. Yeah? Let's stop this. So basically what I'm doing here is to put this seconds value. Yes? So I'm putting this value, the seconds value, into the current time variable. Yes? Then here I'm checking if the reference time is -1. So if this is the first time that the program goes here, I initialize the timer, so I put everything to the same value, current time and reference time. Yes? Then finally here, this is just a print I have added in order to visualize a little bit what's going on, but this could be removed perfectly. And then, yeah, here basically I'm checking that. I'm checking if the current time, so I am here subtracting the reference time from the current time. Yes, so if current time minus reference time is higher than 15, what this means? So this basically means if 15 seconds have passed in the counter, I will stop the robot and I will initialize again the timer. So I will put again the reference time, the same value as the current time, and the counter will start over. Yes? So this basically can be tuned to any value. In this case, I am putting 15 seconds, but this is basically the certain time period. So you can decide whatever you want to put here. I have decided that my time period are 15 seconds. Yes? So if 15 seconds have passed in the counter, I will stop the robot and initialize the timer to start the counter again from 0. Yes? And finally here I am also printing the reference time and the current time. Yes? Then basically I have here the sub callback, which is the callback for the command bell subscriber. And as you can see, this is super simple. So if anyone publishes into the command bell topic, so if any message is published into the command bell topic, this sub callback will be called, and then I will initialize the timer again. So the timer will go to 0 again. Yes? So everything will start over because we only want the timer to go on if no one publishes into the command bell topic. But if someone publishes into the command bell topic any message, then the timer will restart. Yeah, so this is what's going on here. Then here I have basically a helper function to publish into the command bell topic. Yes. And actually I think that this function, I'm not using it. Oh yeah, here to stop the robot. Yeah, so this is, yeah, as I said, this is basically a function that helps me to publish into the command bell topic. Yes. And then I have here the shutdown hook, which I have explained it before. This is when I close my program. And finally, I have a function here, which is stop robot, and it's I call it when I want to stop the robot. So for instance, here, if 15 seconds have passed here in the timer, I call this function stop robot, which basically publishes a message with 0 in linear X and angular Z, so to stop the robot, 0 and 0. And I call this publish once in command bell function here in order to publish this message into the command bell topic and to stop the robot. Yes? So yeah, as you can see, it's very simple. Yes? Then yeah, let's test this code and see how it works. So yeah, first of all, let me create, just 1 second, let me create, actually this prints also, I should put ROS by log info, but well, for this case, let's leave it like this, because this is just for this example. I mean, I could perfectly comment this. This is not useful for the code, so you can remove it. But yeah, instead of using prints, you should use ROS by log info. Yes, which is the ROS logging method. Then yeah, let me create the launch file. Sorry, new file, timer test.launch. There we go. And then here, let me put this to XML. Okay, then here, let's call our node. First of all, the package, the type, the name, and the output. So the output, I'm going to put it to the screen. The name of the node is timer tests. Here we have it. Timer test. Then the type is timer test as well. Test.py, and the name of the package is timer test. Great, so there we are. Let's execute this command. So ROS launch. Well, first of all, I need to know if my code has execution permissions, which it doesn't have. So I'm going to add execution permissions. There we are. Okay, so now yes, let's execute our code. Timer test and timer test.launch. There we are. So let's put the simulation around here, although it's not going to move right now, but let's see. Cannot launch no type timer test. Okay, timer test.pt. Here I have an error. It will be in the launch file. Okay, here it is. It's .py. There we are. Okay, so let's go again. Timer test.launch. So, okay, there it goes. So as you can see, seconds without command bell command. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So no one is pushing into a command bell topic, so the counter is increasing, and when it arrives to 16, it will reset this counter. You'll see 15, now it will reset to 0. There we have it. Okay, so let's also have a look at, let's open here another shell to keep track of the command bell topic, basically. So yeah, I'm going to do here a ROS topic echo of the command bell topic to see if any message is published. There we are, ROS topic echo of the command bell topic. So now no one is pushing into a command bell topic, obviously, so I won't have anything here. And if I execute my code, you will see that when 15 seconds are reached, I will publish. So the timer, as we have just seen, the timer will be restart, and I will also publish a message into the command bell topic in order to stop the robot. So let's check this behavior. So yeah, let's keep this shell open with the command bell messages, and let's execute again our timer. And okay, so we have 0 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, you can count with me if you want. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So no one is pushing into the command bell topic, so the counter keeps going. And as I've said, when the counter arrives to 16, to something higher than 15, a message will be published here in order to stop the robot. There we have. And the timer restarts again. Yes, so let's stop this. And yeah, so I have another message published here because I have closed my program. Yes, so as you have seen, when the timer goes above 15 seconds, so when more than 15 seconds have passed without receiving a command into the command bell topic, the timer restarts and a message is published here with all zeros in order to stop the robot. And then when I stopped my program, another message was published here, because when I stop my program, remember, the shutdown hook is called. And I have also here a call to stop robot. Yes? Great, so let's just, so this looks like it's working perfectly. We have one more test still to do, so basically it's that if at any time during my counter I publish a command into the command bell topic, the timer must initialize. Yes? Because I only want to keep increasing the counter if no one publishes into the command bell topic. So what I'm going to do now is to execute again my program, and I'm going to publish something into the command belt topic, geometry messages, twist. Okay, so before it reaches, it goes to 15, I'm going to publish a message into a command belt topic, and this counter should restart. So let's see, I'm going to publish my message, and as you can see, the counter has initialized again. Yes? So now this keeps going, and if I publish again a message, the counter should restart again. And there it is. Yes? So the counter only keeps increasing if no message is published into the command belt topic. Once a message is published into the command belt topic, the counter initializes. Yes? So yeah, basically it's this. Let's just do an example with the simulation. So I'm going to publish a message into the command belt topic so that the robot goes backwards, and I'm just going to publish one message, and after 15 seconds, if my program works, the robot should stop, because I'm not going to publish anything else to the command belt topic. So let's see if that works. Let's publish this message into the command belt topic. Here to minus 0.5, let's say. And the robot will start moving backwards, and now I'm going to execute my program. There we are. So the counter keeps increasing because no one is publishing nothing now in the command belt topic. I have just published one message, but now I'm not publishing anything. So the robot keeps going backwards, the counter keeps increasing, and when it reaches 15, my robot should stop. And the counter will initialize, of course. Let's see, 15, there we are. And there it is. The counter initializes again, and my robot stops. So yeah, it's working perfectly. So I think we can end the video here. That was all. In the description of the video I will put a link to this code, to this simulation, basically, to all of this. And I will put also links to the Ignite Academy and to the resources used, to RDS for instance. And also, did you like the video? If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a new video every day. Either you like it or not, please share your thoughts and questions in the comments area. Goodbye and see you in the next video.